Welcome to Nature Biota.
Wolf. The wolf is a powerful wild canine known for its intelligence, teamwork, and adaptability. Wolves are found across North America, Europe, and Asia, living in forests, mountains, grasslands, and even Arctic regions. The most common species is the gray wolf, while other types include the Arctic wolf and red wolf. Adult wolves usually weigh between 40 to 175 pounds depending on species and habitat. They have thick fur, sharp teeth, powerful jaws, and excellent senses of smell and hearing. Wolves are highly social animals that live in packs led by an alpha pair. A pack may contain 5 to 15 members that work together to hunt, protect territory, and raise pups. They communicate through howling, body language, barking, and scent marking. Their haunting howl can travel up to 10 miles in open areas. These carnivores mainly eat deer, elk, moose, rabbits, and smaller animals. They are skilled hunters and can run at speeds of about 35 to 40 miles per hour. Wolves play an important role in ecosystems by controlling prey populations and maintaining balance in nature. Wolves can survive harsh winters thanks to their thick double-layered fur. Their paws act like natural snowshoes. A wolf's bite force is much stronger than that of most domestic dogs. Wolves are loyal to their packs and often mate for life. Despite their fierce reputation, wolves usually avoid humans. Conservation efforts have helped some wolf populations recover after years of hunting and habitat loss.